peekaboo and look at me. Hide behind a big red chair. Jump about and wave your hands in the air. Peek behind the curtain, what do you see? A little giggle just for me. Close your eyes, don't be slow. Open wide and say hello. Peekaboo, I love you. Thanks for all the peekaboo. Peekaboo, I love you. See you soon, peekaboo. Peekaboo with teddy bear, can you find me hiding there? Up and down and all around. Let's play peekaboo with every sound.